Well, that's no fun, but thanks for the update, Ken. We're following breaking news right now at 8:32. A car plows into a restaurant in Centennial. It's the El Señor Sol on University Boulevard in Centennial. Fox 31 Denver's Sarah Morris is there. And Sarah, they've got this building boarded up. Now, any update as to how long it's going to take to fix the mess inside?
Well, not yet, Kirk. Actually, the owner just got here on scene. We're hoping to talk to him in just a few moments. But, you know, this driver created a lot of damage. Take a look behind me. You can see where all these boards are here. This is pretty much half the restaurant. It was the kitchen at one point, or what's left of it now. If you move the camera over just a little bit more here, you'll see the debris and stuff that's out here. This is part of the appliances and insulation and everything else that was inside that kitchen that they pulled out of here. Restoration crews have been hard at work all morning long. Now, we did get some video before the boards went up of the destruction inside. You can really see it is just a complete mess. The kitchen was pretty much gutted when the car went in and plowed through there. Again, appliances and debris from the insulation just everywhere. Now, Arapahoe County Sheriff's Office says the driver plowed into the restaurant around 2 this morning. Now, it's really unclear of exactly how the driver did this, but the University Boulevard comes to a big curve here, and what it looks like from the skid marks, the driver actually crossed the lane of highway and then plowed right into the restaurant at a pretty good rate of speed, because you can see the damage here. Now, police say that the driver was actually injured in this accident, and they did take him to the hospital. It's unclear what the injuries were exactly. Police are still investigating exactly what happened here, but obviously here at Señor Sol Mexican restaurant here on University in Arapahoe, well, it's going to be closed for a while until they can get this kitchen rebuilt. We're live in Centennial. Sarah Morris, Fox 31. Good day, Colorado.
Oh, it's a shame. It's such a good restaurant. Thank you, Sarah. Happening